Good day everyone, my name is Jan Pulamila. This is my Pichakocha presentation about Sierra Leone's tourism. Poblacion Sierra Leones is a barangay in the municipality of Sierra Leones in the province of Bohol. Poblacion celebrates its fiesta on December 8 to honor the town of patron, the Immaculate Conception. Poblacion is the center of Sierra Leones, where bank, police station, municipal hall, rural center, market, small and big stores. 5 station found. Sierra Leone's Municipal Hall. It is the central government office for the Municipal of Sierra Leone's Bohol, located in Poblacion, Sierra Leone's. The Municipal Hall house office for the mayor, municipal council, and various departments that provide service to residents. Immaculate Conception Parish Church is an Roman Catholic church in Sierra Leone's Bohol, located in Poblacion. It is an old church that was repainted and renovated over the years to continue serve the people of Sierra Leones. Tele Santa Claus in Sierra Leones. It is located at Sierra Leones, Bohol. The 28-foot tall object in the middle of the road wears a red sweat and white beard and black boots. Lataban Nature Spring is a peaceful natural cold spring located in Barangay Lataban, Sierra Leones, Bohol. Nestled in lush greenery, the area offers a serene and refreshing atmosphere. Paradise Hills Resort. It is located in the secluded place of Sierra Leones in Barangay Matinao. The ambience of relaxing with flowery designs all over. Available amenities included conference function hall, souvenir shop, restaurant and karaoke and others. It has 3 pools. Santo Niño Shrine is located at San Juan, Sierra Leones, Bohol. It is celebrates the annual feast of Senior Santo Niño every end of Sunday during the month of January. They also celebrate Sinolog Festival in Santo Niño Shrine. Skaya Tribe is an indigenous group with a strong presence in Sierra Leones, particularly in Barangay Cantaob. They have a significant ancestral domain claim along with other barangays in neighboring municipalities like Guerrero, Pilar, and Gendelman. Cantaob Vegetable Farm, located in Barangay Cantaob, Sierra Leones. Vast, verdant vegetable farm tended by the indigenous Skaya tribe. Vast rice fields and rice terraces. Sierra Leones has a vast of flat terrain for agricultural purposes, especially in farming. In the pictures include Matinao rice terraces, Libertad Bugsok mini rice terraces, and Bakanan rice terraces. Sampong Highland Camp, located in Bakanan, Sierra Leones. A highland camp that offers a variety of tourist activities including camping, family tours, and rental service for vehicles. It is known for its beautiful scenery. Kaulok Pools. It is located in Barangay Cantaob, Sierra Leones, Bohol. It is a hidden waterfall where surrounded with green lots of trees with a relaxing ambience of the nature. Kaluha Cave. It is located in Barangay Abakanan, Sierra Leones, Bohol. It is a part of wider area of natural beauty and attractive with amazing view inside the cave. Subo Spring. It is one of the coldest and cleanest spring located in Abakanan, Sierra Leones, Bohol, where tourists and guests can enjoy while connecting with the nature. Sierra Leones Sports Complex. It is located in Poblacion, Sierra Leones, Bohol. All sport events such as athletics and soccer will be held during different sport events. Wahig Bridge. It is situated nearby Sierra Leones Fire Station as well as Sierra Leones Police Station. This bridge connects Villa Garcia and Poblacion to go to other parts of Bohol. Saint Isidore Parish Church. This church is located at Bakanan, Sierra Leones under the Roman Catholic Diocese of Talibon. It makes people of Abakhanan to be more near to God. Wahig River Dam. The Wahig River is a significant water resource for the Sierra Leones and surrounding town, especially in farming. The dam, constructed under NIA National Irrigation Administration. Mabugnaw Spring. The Mabugnaw means cold in local dialect is a spring located in Barangay Canlangit, Sierra Leones, where tourists can enjoy for swimming and relaxation and also river trekking. Rivesora Heritage House. Another ancestral house located in Poblacion, Sierra Leones. It is a two-story. Some of the part of the house were renovated and repaired already.